Hey there, spice enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things culinary. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Indian spices with a spotlight on a true gem, Rani Chat Masala. If you're a fan of Indian cuisine, you know that Chat Masala is an absolute essential. But not all Chat Masalas are created equal, and that's where Rani steps in. This right here? It's not just any Chat Masala. It's the best Chat Masala powder you can get your hands on. What makes Rani Chat Masala stand out from the rest? Well, let's start with the basics. This blend is a harmonious fusion of 14 aromatic spices, carefully curated to deliver that quintessential tangy kick that elevates any dish it touches. Whether you're whipping up classic street food like bel puri or adding a zing to your fruit salad, Rani Chat Masala is your secret weapon for flavor fireworks. But what sets Rani apart goes beyond just taste. This Chat Masala is 100% natural, non-GMO, and vegan, with no added colors, MSG, or artificial preservatives. It's a spice blend you can feel good about reaching for every single time. And let's talk about versatility. Available in multiple sizes, from convenient 3.5 ounces jars to bulk 25 pounds packs, Rani makes it easy to stock up and spice up your pantry. Now, let's talk flavor. Imagine biting into a juicy, tangy fruit salad bursting with freshness. That's the magic of Rani Chat Masala. It's not just a seasoning, it's a flavor experience that transports you straight to the bustling streets of India. So, if you're ready to take your taste buds on a journey they won't soon forget, do yourself a favor and grab a jar of Rani Chat Masala today. Trust me, your culinary creations will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy cooking!